Oh, why is it F naught equals sine omega naught t? I like to put that. That's the only reason. I like to, at time 0, no force, and then have a sine wave. That's the only reason. You can put cos also. Yeah, you put another force on the system. It is a flywheel. So don't worry, I will set up the experiment for you to see what is a flywheel. So it's an unbalanced wheel. Okay, what is a flywheel? Theoretically, if you have a wheel, sorry, you are asking how can I impose F naught sine omega naught t? Am I right? So this works by creating a force signature, having a sine wave, and having an amplitude of F naught. Does that answer your question? Or you want to see mechanically how is, or visually how is it built? Okay, so what is a flywheel? If you have, I'll try to draw this, okay? If you have a motor, and the motor is attached to a wheel that is round, and this wheel is balanced, will you have any vibration? The answer is no, because the wheel is what? Balanced. However, if now I were to take out this wheel and I were to cut a slot over here and attach this to this shaft attached to the motor now, what will happen? This is what we call what? Imbalance, or another term, this is what we call a fly what? Wheel. Now why? Why is a flywheel unbalanced? And this is important for this course because later on you have to deal with this also. Anyone? Yes. Hardly right. Can you elaborate further? Okay. More than that, yes. The term is spot on. Okay. The center of gravity is exactly on the what? Well done. Center of gravity is exactly on the what? On the shaft axis. Not on, but aligned on the shaft axis. Over here, down here is the shaft axis. The center of gravity may be somewhere around here. So you have what? Imbalance. Are we clear? So this is how you induce the F naught sine omega naught t, or F sine omega naught t. Okay. Now coming back to here, okay, this is the excitation. So this F also is what we call excitation. Okay. And we know the spring force will always oppose to the what? To the mass and also to the applied force. Okay. So this is our Ky. And this is our mass. Right? So once you draw this now, so now we declare net force to accelerate. Okay, net force to accelerate mass. This is my double dot. net force due to spring, and F, okay? F means your what? Your excitation force, or I call this excitation force. This will be equal to F naught sine omega naught T minus by Ky. Again, why F naught sine omega naught T is positive is why. If you look at this arrow here and we declare y is positive, and that's the only reason, okay? And we know that Ky is what? Will always oppose the direction of the mass. So from here, we write down F naught sine omega naught T minus by Ky, this is equal to my double dot. And finally, this is m plus by Ky, and this is F naught sine omega naught T. And then if we were to bring our mass down, this term over here, this is not a homogeneous second order differential equation. Okay, is so we cannot use the same solution. Okay, we have to use something else, but something else not impossible. Okay, so what we're going to do now, okay, we know, okay, the complementary. Now this you will learn in math later, okay, in 2ZZ03. Okay, we know the expression, the complementary solution right? Y is as a function of time is equal to what? C1 sine omega nt plus by C2 sine omega nt when used for what? Unforced vibration system. However, this is forced, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do something slightly different, okay? Yes. Omega n. The one with, you mean down here, right? Is equal to omega n. Oh, I wrote down, thank you. Okay, where are you? I hear the voice, I don't see the face. Yes, 1 pint of tiger beer from Singapore. I'm serious, in Singapore, we drink tiger beer, okay? I'm not making this up, okay? So from here, we're going to solve this slightly different. Now we're going to let the particular solution, okay, we're going to let the particular solution, okay, to be X or YP is equal to X sine omega naught T. Okay, this is our equation number 2. And then when we differentiate it, it's equal to X omega naught cos omega naught t, equation number 3, and y double dot p is x or minus x omega naught square sine omega naught t, equation number 4. Okay. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys next week. And next week, we can finish mechanical vibration. Okay.
Is there anywhere I can find like the derivation for the characteristic equation?
Say it again.
Is there anywhere I can find like how to derive the characteristic equation? You kind of just gave us the.
You'll learn in 2ZZ03.
Okay. Is there like not the textbooks or anything?
Yeah, engineering math.
Okay.
Any engineering math. Go on. Let me. Yep.